Hello, in this video I'll be showing you a brief tutorial on how to load a CSV file as a Pandas data frame. I will display the first 5 rows of this data frame. I will display the column information. I will just show how to show missing values and convert them as nans, and I will count those missing values. And if, for example, your file doesn't have a header, I will show you how to exclude a header. It will show you how to index your data frame using a specific column, and also show you how to only bring in a select subset of the file. So let's get right into it. I've created and imported Pandas SPD. So now I've copied and pasted all my markdown here, so I have some great documentation on what I'm doing. The first step in order to bring a file is to use PD read CSV function to bring in your file. So my file name is Titanic sub CSV. So once I do df dot head, I will be able to show you the first 5 rows of my data frame. If I do df.info, I will show you the columns and this column of data types. If I do df.isNA as well as sum, I will be able to show you how many nulls are in my data frame. Okay. If I want, I think I skipped one. So let me just put this right here. If I want to parse every column and to see if I have a missing value such as a null for some reason, or a period or a question mark, I could do that as well using that nulls variable and bring in question mark, null, or period. This is, some people have different kind of ways to mark their nulls or their blank values. So here we'll see how that looks. Okay, so you see that as well. So essentially this goes through every column and sees if that value for that row is question mark. If it is, it's going to convert it as a nan, which is important. If you didn't do that, you will have to do some sort of like loop to go through that. And the next item I'm going to show is, let's say my new data frame doesn't have a header. My CSV file doesn't have a header. So I'm going to again use pd.read CSV, put in my file name and do header equals none. This will show, this data frame will be a little different to the one before, as the column names will now be numbers. Next, I will show you how to have an index column. So I will use the passenger IDs index column, as it should be unique for my data set. And then I will show you how it looks when we set up an index variable. All right. Sorry, I think none came about. And then, all right. Index column. Okay. Yeah, so now we see all the indexes and how they're a little different than the columns we saw before. And finally, if I want to only bring in the first 3 columns of my CSV file, I will do use columns equals 1, 2, and 3, and then I'll show you that. All right, so this was a brief tutorial on how to import CSV files into a Pandas data frame in Python. I hope this was useful and thank you for watching.